Hey guys, today we're gonna be making cookies. We have icing and sprinkles and all that good stuff. I'm doing it with Easy. He finally got out of the basement.
You know what I'm saying?
No. So we're not doing it from scratch, so it's definitely not a tutorial, so don't worry about that. Because ain't nobody got time to be doing all that.
But I mean, if you don't know how to make cookies in general or use the oven, then I guess it's like a tutorial.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it could be a tutorial, but we have the dough in the freezer because we want it to be easy to cut. And this is kind of like a redo.
It's not gonna be easy.
I feel like it'll be easy to cut.
It's gonna be hard.
But it's like a redo of our gingerbread competition because I won't have a box to copy off of.
Hey.
So I'll have to do it from my brain, even though I still feel like I'll do better.
But you was still gonna copy the little cookie that was on the front of the little thing.
It don't matter. It's just gonna be more than one cookie. We're making, I don't know how many cookies we're gonna make from that packet. But I still feel like mine's gonna be better even though it's not copying. I didn't copy.
I'm in shock. I did though.
Your skin looks nice.
For real?
I think so.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyways, we're gonna get to this because we don't have all night. I gotta work tomorrow.
Combination cleaner, you know what I'm saying? I got that combination clean.
Anyways, we should do a skincare.
Oh, we should.
Maybe next year.
Next year.
Well, because I'm doing Christmas videos right now. So so that wouldn't be the theme. Eventually we'll do that. Okay, so let's get to baking or not. I have no clue what Easy's doing, but I'm just gonna go with it.
You don't?
Are you like an expert cookie maker?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No. I want some cookies though. Can I have a cookie?
You're gonna get cookies. But I think this is gonna be smaller, right?
It's just an end, Jasmine. I don't think it matters that much.
Okay. When I went to the grocery store, they were like all out of cookies. They were all out of icing because I feel like everybody and their mama is making cookies for some reason.
Well, it is Christmas, Jasmine.
I don't care. There should have been
season to be jolly. I'm about to do my thing with the cookies. Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, they only had like sugar cookies, like barely any. And then they didn't have red icing, but Easy had icing. He came through with the one too, you feel me?
With the drip drip. Whoa.
Because I literally only got white icing and he's saying I can only use this.
That's all she can use.
Because
that's all she supplied.
And then he gets all this.
Hold up now.
I feel like that's not fair.
Why not?
Because it has to be a fair thing. I feel like he's just scared that my cookies are going to end up good just with this alone. I feel like they would still be bomb.
Alright.
They will be.
Okay.
But I'm just kidding, but I want to use your stuff.
Alright.
How many are you making?
How many cookies is that so far?
I don't know, I can't count. I do lashes, I don't do math.
Count that money in your hand.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So far, 10.
Oh, because on the packaging it says it makes 16.
Nah, damn, for real?
Yeah. I don't know about all that. They're probably like thin cookies.
Well, if you want to make them thinner,
no.
Just chop
No, because I like the cookies to be soft, like crispy. It's soft. You know what I'm saying?
Like crispy on the edges and soft on the.
Yeah, but like not raw. We don't like raw.
You're killing me, Smalls.
We don't like raw. Okay.
I mean, I don't know who besides when you're little. Right. Because I'm not.
We didn't even preheat the oven.
We can.
We're not prepared. We're not.
We haven't even cut the cookies yet.
I'm just here. I'm not doing anything this time. Question. So I thought that you have to have this shiny side up, or is it the dull side up?
Look here. I know. It ain't no thought or think. If you read the side, it says non-stick side.
So we put the dull
like
side
this.
down.
It says Reynolds wrap non-stick side. Okay, this is a non-stick side. So if I listen to her and put it on the shiny side,
does it really matter?
It's gonna have the opposite effect. And if it didn't matter, it will say it on both sides. And or wait, if it did not matter, it would not say non-stick side.
Does it? Oh, it says it on there. Oh, I didn't even know it said side. But
I'm going back to the basement.
I never noticed that foil said that. Maybe it's just this one. But yeah, I don't. Did you just? I don't.
Just, I said
just came out the closet.
Let's get back to the. No, I didn't. Not intended. But come here.
So we're gonna start cutting the cookies. I don't feel like that's sharp enough.
I mean, the only reason I put these lines right here is so, you know what I'm saying, it'd be easier to cut the same size cookies. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have different size cookies. That's whack.
Yeah, can we get to cutting?
And unfreaking professional. Little kids see that, they're gonna be like, he sucks at making cookies, but these are good.
I don't think, once it bakes, I feel like it doesn't make a difference. Anyways, get to cutting.
You get the cutting.
Period. Period poop?
No.
Easy's a hater. He's gonna be hating all 2020.
All 2020?
All 2020.
Alright, look, there goes the booty, mates. The booty. The booty. The booty. That's one.
But if they're not even, are they not gonna cook even?
What are you talking about? All my cookies be even.
Well, the butt's not.
What? It's just gonna be a littler cookie. Ooh, these gonna be some thick cookies.
So they're gonna spread when they cook. See, I told you that knife's not really sharp enough.
This is a whole different knife.
Oh.
Ooh.
That's funny.
These some thick ass cookies, Jasmine.
You measured them. I'm literally doing nothing but holding the camera because on the Thanksgiving thing, I feel like I did everything so he can do everything.
What? Oh, I'm about to go back to the basement. Cause you did not do everything.
I was slaving over a hot stove and then you guys saw that he didn't even try it. He just threw it in the trash.
Oh, she be telling stories. You want to flat that?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
Why would you flatten them?
Cause man, damn, but Jesus.
They're like biscuits. They do.
I don't even know.
I think you cut them too big.
First of all,
I'm like, I can't even find you.
oh,
Like you're so, not because of that, because you're tall. What the hell? Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna cut it there because I wasn't even talking about that.
you like to call stuff out before it happened.
I feel like all these cookies.
I see.
I feel like all these cookies are gonna become one big old ball. But that's fine.
Well, you do it then, Jasmine.
No, it's fine. It's gonna be a cookie cake.
You're so negative sometimes. You know that?
I'm not negative.
That's not cute.
I'm just.
At all. And that's not realistic.
Just leave it. Leave it.
Oh my God.
Right, just leave. Get your phalanges out of the cookies.
Okay.
It's fine. They'll be fine. I mean, they're gonna spread. For sure. But we'll see what happens. If anything, we can use a spatula and chop them apart.
Well, I was thinking of that already in the first place, so you called it all out on Jump Street. Alright. Let me wash my hands. Hey, y'all. Oh. Oh.
So we're gonna bake these. Did it say how many minutes or are we just gonna go just by looking?
For real?
I think so. We should just go by looking. We can go by looking because that's what I usually do. I feel like they're gonna bake uneven, but I'm trying to be positive.
Why you always have...
But they're gonna bake evenly. They're gonna be perfect.
Jasmine.
So we're just gonna wait while they bake.
Go home.
So yeah, they did turn into a blob, but I mean, we still can fix it.
It's not a blob. That's a canvas.
We can
We
can
are
fix it. Are
drawing
you gonna
on
take it out?
No.
Yes, it's ready.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Because they're brown. Where should I put it? Because when they cool, they're gonna be harder. Don't worry, because they're still gonna cook right now. And now your big old fingers in here, you're getting that one.
I didn't put my finger on there.
What'd you use?
It just dropped. When you drop it on there, it dropped. Okay, I didn't use my finger.
You see that? He lies to me.
I didn't lie, I told the truth.
Anyways, just gotta wait for them to cool. You gonna turn off the timer? No?
Why didn't you put it off?
I don't know, it's not my house. So we're gonna wait till they cool so then we can decorate them.
Yeah.
He's always eating.
Hey, my God. Cut.
So we're gonna start decorating. I know you can probably see our bodies. Only.
Oh, what's up?
You thought I was just talking to myself?
Ooh,
You can see my sweater. Oh, you for real about me only using this one?
Yeah, that's all you get.
I want red though. Oh, you made them cold? Oh, you were preparing your icing?
I forgot to put yours in there.
Oh,
But
no,
it's
it's
still
fine.
white.
I feel like it would work.
I still have white, so.
It would still work. Hold on. I can't see it.
I'm trying to mix it.
I want to try it with this one.
The big one.
Do you have red?
Damn, don't use it all neither.
I won't.
Cause I got a feeling you're gonna use a whole bunch.
A whole bunch?
Dang,
Why?
you got the red one really quick. Porque why?
Because I want it.
Each and every day. Oh.
It's actually harder with it being cold.
But
I guess you shouldn't have made them cold. It's harder.
it's okay.
My hands are not strong.
Aww.
Huh?
Look like a stocking.
Well, you'll see what it is.
Well, you'll see what it is. Oh. Wow. Okay. Why yours come out like that? Oh, you used the different top.
And it's warm. I put too much though. It's too much icing. So, I hope you guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you guys closer up when I get it situated. Maybe I should use another one?
Another wall.
Another top?
Another food.
Because it's coming out like super slow. Oh yeah, you have blue too, I forgot. Maybe not this one. What if I use all your red? Maybe not.
I would.
For real?
Jasmine, why do you get to use all the red?
I'm just gonna spread it.
All the red. Oh, but that's a good idea.
What?
To spread it.
Because it's hard, because someone put it in the refrigerator. But I see what you're going for.
No problems with mine. Turn out different. Hey.
That's my first one.
Hey. Can't make that anymore.
This is my first one. Do you guys see it? Oh, you were going to?
It was.
For real?
Little Santa Claus, little Santy.
Oh, and his white little ball.
Ooh.
His white ball.
White little balls.
I'm done now. I'm just kidding. Imagine me only decorating one. I'll do another one.
Do you need the green?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you thinking?
It's dripping.
What's dripping?
Your hand. Are you making a house?
No.
I know you guys can't see. I guess you can see now.
I'll be putting my stuff out on Jam Street. I think I made my windows too high. I'll leave that for the next one. I really was about to make a little doobity doo doo.
Snowflake?
Yeah.
Well, I made it first. Can you guys see that? So I'm finished making mine. I know I didn't go hardcore. First of all, I did a lot of these basic cookies. So it's just green and red sprinkles with white icing. And then I have my Santa. I messed up with the blush. My snowflake. This is my other snowflake because I was trying to make it better. And then I did a tree. And I did a wreath.
Man, Jasmine cookies be popping.
The wreath is kind of lit. Kind of lit. I like that one. That one's the best one, I think.
It is, though. It is.
And then these are easy.
Hey, no.
You have to show off.
No. Don't show mine. Do not show mine.
They look nice.
Hey, y'all see my little palm right there?
You try to make a part.
Oh, I'm about to.
Wow.
Had to go swimming real quick.
So those are all the cookies. He literally got blue on me.
Come on. What is you doing?
Ruining my sweater.
Why is you showing everybody that?
Is it good?
My bad, fam.
Wow.
My bad.
I don't really. I feel like red icing you can feel like or taste the dye. No. It's good. But you guys can. Wow.
You want mine though? Oh Lord.
I'm done. They're basically the same cookies, so I don't know the difference.
What? Girl, cookie was good.
No.
Alright, y'all.
That's the end of the video.
For next time, I'm probably gonna be in the basement or some shit, though.
No.
No?
You'll see him next week because we're posting a video every day till Christmas. So.
That's too much pressure.
Too much what?
Pressure.
No, it's not. I've been doing good, but I'm halfway through, so I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. Do you have anything else to say before I close out?
Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? And don't be scared to talk to me on Snapchat, because I will talk to you.
We'll talk back. So
I always talk back.
I'm trying to get better at posting on Snapchat. I haven't posted on Instagram in a while, so we're gonna.
Me neither.
So in 2020, it'll be lit.
It's about to be popping.
You just ruined your cookie.
Hey.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.
Bye.